You know One Piece in Malay is what or not?
Something.
Yes, correct. It's on $60 we buy at... Okay, aku tak nak bilang. Dia bilang. Baik bilang. How do you... Oh! There's a tape, mate. I think...
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
The opening is very easy lah, so you need to cut shit. Yeah, it's easy to open, but some people doesn't know how to open, right? So they need practices sometimes. Eh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Oh, you want the 6? Ooh, my first pack. I hope I get something. Hope. No hope. You got hope. You got hope. There's no luck. When there's no luck, you got something. Okay. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh! Oh, it's a shining one, but I think. Okay. Whoa. Nice you! Got this. Oh! What the? Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Hey! It made my lens blur, yeah? And we got a... Woo! We got a pow! Second pack. A Sansa. Liao. The first type was good. Okay, we got Luffy. Got this. Oh, we got this. Ooh. Ooh. You see this? Damn, I see the price, but ooh. Ooh, this is very pretty. Why are you laughing, mate? We got this. I don't know if you all can see or not. Okay. Okay. This is my third pack. I think we got nice art. Nice art with nice things. Ooh. We got a famous Marine, Sengoku. We got NL. Eh! NL! hey, yo! Nah. I'm not a seeker, bro. I'm not a seeker, man. I like the arts in the One Piece. Is it shining? Yeah, I think this is shining. It looks like shining. Luffy! There, Luffy! Oh! Damn! I told you the art is good. The curve, the lines, everything, bro. The centering, the
Which part of it is curved?
The side of the curve. Damn! It's whoa! Damn! This my how many pack? I don't know. Never mind. I hopefully to get more good arts, good curve. Bro, you gotta say the names or you gonna say, bro. I think I can put the price here, or I think I can just put the price. Ooh. I like the art designs. The art design is very nice. What the hell? Oh, we got shiny. This is very nice. This is very nice. Okay. We got. Oh. You see, I like the design. Design lawa. It's like very nice designs, you know. Yeah, it looks so sick sometimes. Hopefully, I will get more art design, like nice design. Wow. Okay, hopefully we get good one. Oh, we get another Luffy. Oh, that's a nice shiny. Oh. Oh my god. I like this shiny. You see, I like the designs, you know. One Piece designs is actually very, very nice. Risk it or you regret it. If I got hit, right? If I got back-to-back hit, then I will buy one more.
When?
By soon. Soon. The shops today are closed because the shops are closing because you get the
Any machine is open, bro.
no, vending machine is tired. Machine's tired. This is shining. You see, I told you the art is nice. Woo. I like the killat. It looks like sliver. No. See, you got the sword. Woo. Look at how amazing it is from the light of the heavens. See what we have. Okay. And this. I don't know if y'all can see. I think y'all can see it. Okay. You have this. You have this. Oh. You say I amazed by One Piece designs, you know. It's really very nice. You can see all the colors here. Everything. Oh, white beard. Udah lama tak nampak white beard. Oh, we got Mihawk. See? So like this. Oh, got this. Oh, I have the same card, but that one it was a shiny version. This is not the shiny version. We got Brook. Oh, Mr. Tree. Woo! See the design? Oh my god. Wow. It's all shiny. Neat. Oh, this is also. Oh, this is like very matte. It's like shining, but it's matte. See, like. You know, I'm trying to say something. My last two pack.
What?
Famous last words.
Yes, famous last words, bro. You know what? Do you know why I keep saying what nah in such a weird way? Because apparently someone bought something from the guy. Nice design. Oh, come on, we need. Yeah, I see shining. Got the shining things. You got the shining things. Oh, Look at that amazing art, man. Even though it's shining, I like it. See? I'm gonna keep it. 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 Okay, we got last pack. Whew. Okay. Last pack, last pack. Okay, some we open slowly, okay? Slowly. Okay. Is it shiny to me or is it not? Yeah, it's shiny. Nice! Marco!
What the fuck is this, dude?
But anyways, it's shiny. I like. Ooh! Okay.